Hello friends, in this session we will see exercise 6.3 question 16 onwards. Show that tangent to the curve y equals to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2 are parallel. So y equals to 7x cube plus 11 is given, and so dy by dx equals to 21x square, and so slope of tangents at dy by dx at x equals to 2 will be 21 into 2 square, 21 into 4 84, and dy by dx at x equals to minus 2 also 21 into minus 2 square, 21 into 4 is equals to 84, and so at both the lines the slopes are 84 where the lines tangents are parallel to x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2. Now question 17 is that find the points on the curve y equals to x cube at which slope of tangent is equals to y coordinate of the point. And so y equals to x cube is given, so differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx equals to 3x square. Now as per given condition the slope is equal to y coordinate, and so y equals to 3x square. So y equals to 3x square and y equals to x cube, so we have x cube minus equals to 3x square. So x cube minus 3x square equals to 0. So x we take out common, then x square we take out common, then x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 or x equals to 3. So when x equals to 0, then y also 0 cube, so 0. And so one point is 0 0, and when x is equals to 3, y also 3 cube equals to 27, and so it is xy equals to 327. At the point 0 0 and 327, the slope of the y equals to x cube is equals to its y coordinate. Now for the curve y equals to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. And so we have equation y equals to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. So we differentiate with respect to x, and dy by dx equals to 12x square minus 10x raised to 4. And so dy by dx at x equals to x0 will be 12x0 raised square minus 10x raised 0 raised to 4. And so the equation of tangent 8 x0 y0 will be y minus y0 equals to 12x0 square minus 10x 0 raised to 4 x minus x0. This tangent is passing through 0 0, so xy equals to 0 0 we submit here, and minus y0 equals to 12x0 square minus 10x 0 raised to 4 into minus x0. So y0 value we keep minus of 4x 0 cube plus 2x raised to 0 raised to 5 equals to 12x0 raised to cube minus plus 10x0 raised to 5. and so we will have minus 12 will go other side, 8x cube x0 cube minus 8x raised 0 raised to 5 equals to 0, and so 8x 0 raised to 3 common, then x0 square minus 1 equals to 0. So x0 equals to 0 or x0 square equals to 1. So x0 equals to 0, x0 equals to plus or minus 1. So x0 equals to 0, then y equals to 0. So 0, 0 point, x0 equals to 1, then y0 equals to 4 minus 2, 2, and so 1, 2 point, x0 equals to minus 1, then y0 equals to minus 4 minus 2, which is minus 4 plus 2, which is minus 2, and so required point is minus 1 minus 2. Question 19, we have find the points on the curve where x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0 is which tangent is parallel to x-axis. So for the tangent slope we differentiate x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0 with respect to x, then 2x plus 2y divided by dx minus 2 equals to 0. And so divided by dx we will have 2 minus 2x by 2y, which is 1 minus x by y. Now tangent is parallel to x-axis, and therefore dy by dx is equals to 0. So 1 minus x upon y equals to 0. So 1 minus x equals to 0, so x equals to 1. X equals to 1, and so 1 square plus, we submit x equals to 1 in given equation, and then 1 square plus y square minus 2 minus 3 equals to 0. So y square minus 4 equals to 0, so y equals to plus or minus 2, and so required points 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. We have the question 20, find the equation of the normal at the point am square am cube for the curve ay square equals to x cube. So we have the curve is ay square equals to x cube, so we differentiate with respect to x, then 2ay divided by dx equals to 3x square, and so dy by dx is equals to 3x square upon 2ay, and so dy by dx is given point am square am cube 3 into am square square and 2a into am cube. So it is 3a square m raised to 4, 2a square m cube, and so a square cancel, 1 power will reduce, and so slope will be 3m by 2. But this is the slope of tangent, we require slope of normal, and so slope of normal will be minus 1 upon slope of tangent divided by dx, so minus 1 upon 3m by 2, and so it is 2 by 3m minus, and so equation of normal y minus am cube minus 2 by 3m x minus am square. Question 21, we have Question 21, we have find the equation of normal to the curve y equals to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which are parallel to the line x equal plus 14y plus 4 equals to 0. So this equation is normal we require. So for that, first we find out the slope of the tangent, because normal is perpendicular to the tangent. So for the slope of the tangent, y equals to x cube plus 2x plus 6. We differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx we will have 3x square plus 2. And so the slope of normal will be minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2. Now slope of x plus 14y plus 4 equals to 0. It is minus a upon b, and so minus 1 upon 14. Now this normal is parallel to the line, and so both the slopes are equal. So minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2 equals to minus 1 upon 14. And so 3x square plus 2 equals to 14. So x square equals to 12 by 3, 4. And so x equals to plus or minus 2. So x equals to 2 we take, then y equals to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. So 8 plus 4 plus 6, 18. So 1 point is 2, 18. And x equals to minus 2, and y equals to minus 2 cube plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6. So y equals to minus 8 minus 4 plus 6. So y equals to minus 6. And so another point we have minus 2 minus 6. So equation of tangent at 2, 18 will be y minus 18 minus 1 upon 4. So equation of normal at 2, 18 will be y minus 18 minus 1 by x minus 2, and at minus 2 minus 6 equation of normal will be y plus 6 minus 1 by 14 x plus 2. Next question is given, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square equals to 4x at the point 80 square to 80. So it is given y square equals to 4ax, and so we can take differentiation, 2y dy by dx equals to 4a, and so dy by dx equals to 4a by d, 2y means 2 2's are cancelled, then 2a by y. So now we want equation of tangent and normal. So dy by dx at 80 square to 80 will be 2a by 280. So 2a 2a cancel, then 1 by 80. And so equation of normal, so tangent y minus 280 1 upon t x minus 80 square. So we can simplify yt minus 280 square equals to x minus 80 square. So x minus yt minus 380 square equals to 0. Now for slope of normal, minus 1 upon slope of tangent means minus 1 upon t. So it is minus t, and so equation of normal, it y minus 280 minus t x minus 80 square, and so we multiply inside, then y minus 280 minus tx plus 80 cube. and so tx plus y minus 2at minus 80 cube equals to 0. Sorry, here it will be a plus 80 square because minus will go other side, so plus 80. Question 23, we have prove the curve x equals to y square, xy equals to k, at right angles if it k square equals to 1. So x equals to y square and xy equals to k are given. So x equals to y square, here we submit, then y cube equals to k, and so y equals to k raised to 1 by 3. So x equals to y square, and so x equals to k raised to 2 by 3. And so we have the point xy equals to k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3. Now at this point we find out tan slope of both the equation. First we find out x equals to y square. So dy by dx equals to 2 dy by dx equals to 1, and so 2y dy by dx equals to 1, and so dy by dx equals to 1 by 2y. So dy by dx at k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 will be 1 upon 2 k raised to 1 by 3. Now xy equals to k, and so x dy by dx plus y equals to 0. So dy by dx equals to minus y upon x, and so dy by dx at k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 will be minus k raised to 1 by 3 upon k raised to 2 by 3. So minus k raised to 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 will be minus 1 by 3. Now this both the slope multiplication, tangents are perpendicular, and therefore k raised to minus 1 by 3 minus into 1 by 2k raised to 1 by 3 equals to minus 1. So minus 1 by 3 power will come down, and minus 1 upon 2k raised to 2 by 3 equals to minus 1. So 2k raised to 2 by 3 equals to 1. So to remove the square root, we take the cube, then 2 cube 8k square equals to 1, which shows that when 8k square equals to 1, then tangents are perpendicular to each other. Now question 24, we have find the equation of tangent and normal to the x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1 at x0 y0. So for slope of tangent x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1, we differentiate with respect to x, then 2x by a square minus 2y by b square dy by dx equals to 0. And so we have dy by dx equals to 2x by a square multiply b square by 2y, and so dy by dx we will have to cancel b square x upon a square y, and so slope of tangent at x0 y0 will be dy by dx the x0 y0 b square x0 minus a square y0 by a square y0, and so equation of normal equation of tangent will be y minus y0 b square x0 a square y0 x minus x0. Now slope of normal minus 1 upon dy by dx means minus 1 upon b square x0 upon a square y0. So it is minus of a square y0 upon b square x0, and so equation of normal will be y minus y0 minus a square y0 b square x0 x minus x0. Question 25 we have find the equation of tangent to y equals to under root 3x plus 2 plus 3x minus 2 which is parallel to 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. So dy by dx with respect to x we find out, and it will be 1 upon under 2 root 3x plus minus 2 and 3x differentiation 3, and so dy by dx we will have 3 by 2 under root 3x minus 2, and we have the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. So its slope will be dy by dx we do, then 4 minus 2 dy by dx equals to 0, so dy by dx equals to 2. Now this curve's tangent is parallel to the line, and so 3 by 2 under root 3x minus 2 equals to 2, and so under root 3x minus 2 equals to 3 by 4, and so to remove the square root we take the square, and 3x minus 2 equals to 9 by 16. So 3x equals to 9 by 16 plus 2. So 3x equals to 41. X is equals to 3. We bring down, then 16 to the 31 and 9. So 32 and 9 41. 41 by 16 is a 48. Now x equals to 41 by 48. Then y equals to 3 into 41 by 48. Minus 2, so 3 16s are, and y equals to 41 minus 32 by 16 which is 9 by 16 under root. So y equals to plus or minus 3 by 4. But if we take y equals to minus 3 by 4, then under root 3x minus 2 will be under root minus 9 minus by 4 minus 2 less than 0, and so it is not, y equals to minus 3 by 4 is not possible, and so we have the point only 3 by 4, and x point is 41 by 48 and y point is 3 by 4, and so the required tangent will be y minus 3 by 4 to x minus 41 by 48. So LCM 48 we multiply, then 48y, here 12 is 36, 48 2 is 96x, and here 41 to the 82, then it will be 96x minus 48y and 82 plus 36 minus 82 plus 36. It is 96x minus 48y plus 46 equals to 0, divided by 2, and 48x minus 24y plus 23 equals to 0. Now question 26, we have find the slope of normal to the y equals to 2x square plus 3 sin x. So dy by dx will be 4x plus 3 cos x, and so dy by dx at x equals to 0 will be 4 into 0 plus 3 cos 0. So 3 it is, and so dy by dx slope of normal will be minus 1 by dy by dx, and so it is minus 1 by 3. Question 27, we have find the point where y equals to x plus 1 is a tangent of y square equals to 4x. So y square equals to 4x, we differentiate, then 2y dy by dx equals to 4x. So dy by dx equals to 4x by 2y. So it is 2 2s are, so 2x by y. And here y equals to x plus 1, that we differentiate, then dy by dx equals to 1. Now this line in is a tangent, so 2x by y equals to 1, and so 2x equals to y. So y value we submit here, then 4x square y equals to 4x, and so 4x square minus 4x equals to 0. So 4x we take out common, then x minus 1 equals to 0. So we have x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. So x0, then y equals to 0, and x equals to 1, then y square equals to 4. So we have 3.00. So here y equals to plus or minus 2, we can write 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. 3 points where the lines are tangented given value. Now 1 minus 2 is not possible, because if we take minus 2 here in the line, then y equals to, it becomes x plus 1 and x equals to minus 3, which is not satisfying equation, and so 1 2 point and 0 0 at these 2 points, the y equals to x plus 1 will be a tangent of the given equation.